What is up, YouTube? It is Madtown Sports Collectibles back here with another YouTube video. And today we have another Prizm basketball break. A box of 2019-20 Panini Prizm basketball. $50 at Target. You get 10 packs per box. 6 packs per box. My bad. 10 cards per pack. 4 silvers and 14 mega box. Exclusive cards are on average. You're looking for the red ice cards coming out of these mega boxes. Again, looking for the rookies: Zion, RJ Barrett, John Morant, Cam Reddish, Jarrett Culver, those type of guys. So let's get right into this. We have a mega box of Prizm. I've had some good luck with mega boxes so far this year, so let's see what we can get out of here. We have 6 packs. Hopefully we can pull some Zion color. 6 packs. So let's get into this and see what we can pull. I think this is the mem, so I'm going to save that one for later. Let's see what happens. Malcolm Brogdon, Baisley rookie, Chris Dunn, Kareem, Get Hype Booker, Red Ice rookie of the 76ers, Tyler Johnson, Thomas Bryant, Kawhi, and James Harden. We had 2 rookies in there. Not the right rookies, though. Oh, and look at that. Oh, geez. First card on top, a Zion Williamson rookie. Get this one in a sleeve ASAP. Zion Williamson. Look at the centering on that one, too. Beautiful. Zion rookie Prizm. And that is the hit. That's what we're trying to get. If only it was some color, that would have been nuts. Then we have a Robin Lopez, Bill Russell, Jalen Brunson, Kareem, Red Ice, Silver, Lillard, Oubre, and Robert Covington. So we hit what we wanted, the Zion rookie Prizm. Not a bad box at all. You're hitting Zion, everything's good. You have a rookie here for the Pacers, Anthony Davis, Kent Bazemore, Dwayne Bacon, Emergent, Grant Williams. Another one of these. This guy, I'm not sure who this is, but a Red Ice. He is an international player, so that's probably why I haven't heard of him. A silver Brook Lopez, Harrell, and Wall. So we have an Eric Paschal rookie on top. Not a bad one either. Trevor Ariza, Pete Maravich, Sexton, Dominance, Red Ice Mo Bamba, Robin Lopez, Larry Bird, Murray, and Thomas Bryant. Down to our final 2 packs here. We have a rookie Jalen Hands, Bojan, Trey Young, Michael Porter Jr., and another Zion Instant Impact. Nice pull there. PJ Tucker. A Zion Red Ice. Whoa. 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 Hold up. What a box. Oh my god. I'm shaking. I can't get in the sleeve. Zion Williamson Red Ice. Holy cow. This is insane. Zion Williamson Red Ice. Mega box exclusive pull. So we hit a Zion base rookie out of this box, the instant impact insert, and then this. This is insane. We hit 3. I've opened up so much of this already, and I didn't hit one Zion. I did hit one of these instant impacts previously, but no base cards, no color or anything. And look at this. Holy cow. This makes up for it. That's insane. Not expecting that at all, but wow. We have a Sexton Silver, PJ Tucker, but man, oh man. What a hit out of this box. Wow. Zion Williamson came to play in this final mega box. Wow. So we have a KZ Akpala, Marcus Morris, Keem Olajuwon, and we have an autograph of Brandon Clark. Nice. Rookie penmanship, Brandon Clark. Autograph. So this has been a very nice box. Brandon Clark, rookie penmanship. Nice hit. Rookie out of Gonzaga, I believe. And we're still not done here. We have a Ty Jerome, Bismack Biyombo, Marcus Saul, Silver, Serge Ibaka, DeRozan, and Mo Bamba. But oh my lord, what a break this was. A Zion Williamson, Red Ice, Brandon Clark penmanship, Zion Instant Impact. We had an Eric Paschall rookie and the base Zion. So this was a box. Wow. What a box. So that will do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. But man, oh man, am I happy with that hit. Stay tuned for some more videos coming soon. But again, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.